can't talk.
Oh. Hi. My name is Joy, and I'm not an alcoholic. But I do enjoy the occasional margarita from Chili's. It's quite the tasty beverage. Here you have my sister to the right with her blonde hair. She just got it done. And she has an ice cream truck for a ringtone.
I just changed it. Here, I'll play it for you.
I mean, I just did it for you.
Calypso. Oh, here it is. Reminds me of my grandpa.
And here you have Shay Kelly. Oh, come on, get over it. You look good. MC E equals MC vagina.
Ew.
Vagina.
Gross.
It's from one of her YouTube people. Okay. And there's Randy and Megan.
I'm not wearing pants.
That's how he gets food at Chili's.
Hey, what's up, girl? I'm not wearing
And like a niblet.
Yeah, that's how he gets Megan too. He just takes his pants off and she's like, oh.
You too.
Run away!
How do you feel about body hair,
You
Megan?
too. You too. I'm talking to your phone. Would you like a niblet?
We're making a video for YouTube. Would you like to
Look
be in
how
it?
pink it is.
That's Mary, the sexiest waitress in the world.
Oh, she got a
This is my corn bowl.
Jen, just look how pink it is.
That's what she said.
Pink, you say? Randy. Randy has the pinkest nipples in the world. Let's see them.
Let's see.
She has to know.
I told my sister you had to like pick this
Just pull it up a little bit. Come on. Hurry while Mary's here. It doesn't matter. That's disgusting.
Oh my goodness, they really are. They're so like baby pink.
It's like decoration for a baby room.
They're pink.
We're going to be on YouTube.
It's great. At my best.
And the baby. That's the baby. Hi, Jonathan.
Oh, shucks.
Does anybody need another beverage?
I'm okay.
We're good.
I'm bloated. I'm working on that.
Yeah, you can probably go ahead and get the check whenever.
I have it.
Oh, do you?
I don't want to rush it. I'll come back in 5 seconds.
Okay.
Would you like a row of
5
niblets?
seconds, you say?
Or a boom.
A row of niblets, you say?
You got a bone to pick with me, Crystal?
Gosh. Can I get on camera?
Yeah.
A check for $87.
Say that number. It's even.
Next time, aim better.
And a niblet.
Niblet.
Look.
Wait, hold it up. Hold it up. She's a niblet.
That was her A-class
Kristen.
Oh, there's 4 of us, isn't there?
Yeah, there's a little bit of alcohol in my system.
Okay, and cut. Yeah, I'm getting the hottest.